Okay, it's time for some amazing technology. Cars nowadays are high-tech, sophisticated, and long-lasting than they have ever been. And like any forward-thinking industry, the automobile industry is constantly seeking new methods to incorporate more innovation into the vehicles we use. Engineers are working hard on the many technologies that will transform our vehicles into true masterpieces of space-age engineering. Welcome to my channel, Luxury Cars. Kindly like this video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to see more similar videos in the future. The Audi Grandsphere is the second of three Sphere all-electric designs from Audi, and it looks like a sleek four-door beauty salon. Audi has shown the second of its three Sphere all-electric concepts, demonstrating its ability to switch into sustainable premium transportation provider. It is future-ready, according to Audi, which means it is not only prepared and well-built for the future of purpose, but also upgraded and ready to appeal to the next generation of drivers and car owners. In 2020, designers and engineers started working on the Grandsphere project with a goal of building a road-ready luxury jet. It's nearly the same length from bumper to bumper as the current generation long wheelbase A8, but the proportions are distinctive. It blurs the boundary between a sedan and a shoot and brake. Audi stated that it does not intend to abandon the sedan body style, but rather give it a new, fresher spin. It would be pointless to throw out all the histories we've established and all of the lessons we've learned over the last 50 years of car design and start all over every time we build a new car. With this one, we hope to capture some beauty from the past cars and also bring something fresh or new to the mix, so that we don't simply ignore the past product but also take a few steps forward. One of the most striking features when you zoom in is the front end, which looks nothing like the shape-shifting Skysphere and is more of a revolution than an evolution compared to Audi's existing design language. That was done on purpose, according to Vaya, who explained that his team worked hard to flip the script. Whether this design approach is kept, which is still experimental, is primarily determined by the input Audi receives on the concept. More odd features are what's inside. The cabin has individual front seats, a couch-like backbench, and no steering wheel or pedals when the doors are opened. In several conditions, Level 4 autonomous technology converts the driver to a passenger. The switch electronically comes up from under the windshield when the car cannot drive itself or when its owner wants to drive. Driving with high levels of automation is a game changer. We consider automobiles from the inside out. This is what we intend to accomplish with the new models that follow. The head of Audi's technical development, Oliver Hoffman, talks about it. In the future, handling and horsepower will be irrelevant. Technology and interior setup will sell luxury sedans, according to Audi. The Grandsphere is full of advanced technology, but there are no screens. Instead, information is displayed at a large piece of wood trim beneath the windscreen, where the dashboard would be in an A8. The MMI touchless response interface allows passengers to navigate through the various menus. The Grandsphere is entirely powered by electricity and is constructed using PPE architecture. It's propelled by a pair of electric motors, one per axle, that deliver 710 horsepower and 708 pound-feet of torque to the four wheels. These machines are powered by a 120 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion battery pack that provides a theoretical driving range of 466 miles. It takes just 4 seconds to accelerate to 62 miles per hour from a stop, but cruising at 175 miles per hour on the Autobahn isn't on the Grandsphere's ideology. Its top speed is reduced to save range. The Grandsphere idea was unveiled to the world at the 2021 Munich Auto Show, which occurred on September 7. The third and final Sphere is expected to be released in 2022. While concept cars are frequently thinly veiled production models, the Grandsphere will not be produced in its current form. It is not a pre-production model of our Artemis project. It symbolizes several technological and design features that will be available in Audi's future premium class, Hoffman concluded. For me, the Grandsphere represents the start of a new era at Audi, as well in technical development. It's a new way of thinking about and developing cars. It actually portrays the design and technical aspects of future projects. Markus Duesmann, CEO of Audi AG and a member of the board member of management for product lines, stated, "Audi will be totally electric within 12 years, an ambitious objective that will place us at the forefront of the industry. We are fully prepared." With the introduction of the Audi Grandsphere, the manufacturer has taken another step toward realizing its vision of advanced luxury mobility. Here are some few points to take home about this technology monster. Grandsphere is not the only sphere in Audi's product. As previously stated, the Audi Grandsphere is the second of the 3 concept automobiles that Audi has invented. The first is the Audi Skysphere, a 2-seater grand touring roadster that debuted in mid-August of this year. Is there a new sphere coming soon? Of course. That will be referred to as the Urban Sphere. We may expect to see the automobile next year according to Audi. While the Skysphere product is a sleek drop-top grand tourer, the Grandsphere appears to be a sexy sedan that might be the future of all-electric Audi A8 flagship sedan. The Urban Sphere will have a 2-box design that looks like a normal SUV or a crossover. The Grandsphere can be the next Audi A8. This leads us to Grandsphere's potential manufacturing form. With its massive proportions and stylish 4-door saloon body, the concept vehicle will most likely be the future Audi A8, although in all-electric form. The Grandsphere, which is based on the PPE or Premium Platform Electric Modular Automobile Platform, has a 4-door tapering body with a sloped windscreen rather than a standard 3-box sedan shape. If the Grandsphere is Audi's vision of the future of premium cars, it is bang on. It comes with Level 4 automated driving. Level 4 simply refers to the ability to drive on its own. As a result, not only does this turn the cockpit and passenger seats into a vast sitting room immediately after the steering wheel and pedals are removed, but it also gives everyone else on board new levels of freedom. That's because the Audi Grandsphere not only relieves the driver of driving duties whenever possible, but also provides occupants with a wider range of features for utilizing that freedom for uniquely variable experiences. Communication or relaxation, work or withdrawal into private sphere as desired. It's not just a vehicle. The Grandsphere, like the other 2 projects, is also not just a regular car designed to transport its passengers. There's more to it than that. The electrified concept is meant to provide a modern experience of progressive luxury, from its design and space to its form and function. It may sound impossible, yet Audi appears to have done just that. Inside the Grandsphere, a combination of eye tracking and gesture control can be used. When you need to engage the control unit, a sensor positioned at the eye detects a line of sight, and the passenger merely needs to make hand motions similar to those in a typical car, without sitting upright or touching anything. It charges fast and travels far. The Grandsphere is equipped with 270 kW DC speedy charging thanks to 800 volts charging technology. According to Audi, 10 minutes is all it takes to recharge the battery to the point where it can power the automobile for more than 300 kilometers. You can charge the 120 kWh battery from 5% to 80% in less than 25 minutes. On a single full charge, the car can go for up to 750 kilometers. The Grandsphere not only has a long range, but it also offers impressive performance numbers. The automobile, which is powered by 2 electric motors, produces a massive 710 horsepower and 960 Nm of torque, allowing it to reach 100 km per hour in under 4 seconds. You can call that a beast. With the Audi Grandsphere concept, Audi is presenting a vision of the future automobile. The second in a series of prospective concept cars show how first-class automotive comfort will be in the future: electric, automated, smart, and with enough individual space for innovative features. Kindly comment on your favorite part of the video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to see similar automobile videos in the future. Thank you for watching my video. See you next time.